Let us look at how to have pointers on object and how to create objects inside stack and how to create them in heap. The same rectangle class which we have already seen, I have written it here in just a small size font. Now let me write main function and show you how we can have pointers on an object. Main function. Okay, int main, void main, whatever it is. Rectangle R. This is a rectangle object having length and breadth. This I am scribbling here, you already know that. Now this is consuming how many bytes? 4 bytes, 2 bytes, 2 bytes, because these are of 2 bytes integer we are assuming. So total 4 bytes memory it has taken. And this is created inside stack. Now rectangle star P, this is a pointer. So I also have a pointer. This is also created inside stack. Then I will say P assign ampersand R. So this pointer will be pointing on this rectangle object. Now I want to access length, store 10 here. So using R, that is this object R, I can say R dot length assign 10. We already know how to access the members of an object using dot operator. Now I want to access this using pointer. So how I can do that? The pointer is pointing here. Using this pointer I will say P caps length assign 10. I am reading it as caps, but it is a arrow, or you can say P's length assign 10. So a arrow that is made up of hyphen, that is minus, and greater than bracket. So you have to use these two symbols for forming this arrow symbol. So it means dot operator is used for accessing the members of an object using variable name, and arrow operator is used for accessing the members of an object using a pointer on an object. Now I can access anything. P caps breadth assign 5. So 10 and 5 are stored here. Then I will say P caps area will be called. If I say C out, then area is displayed. So finally, this arrow is a dereferencing operator. Instead of using star, we can use this arrow. I may be calling it as arrow or caps sometime. So this can be used for accessing the members of an object. You can access data members as well as functions. Now next I will remove this and show you how to create an object in heap. Let us see how to create an object in heap using pointer. Rectangle star pointer. So we know that the pointer will be created inside the stack, whatever the variables you declare. And one more thing, what is the size of the pointer? How many bytes it will take? Every pointer takes 2 bytes only as per our assumption. So this pointer also take 2 bytes. Actually it depends on the compiler. It may take 4 bytes also. So we are saying that it will take 2 bytes. So all pointer takes 2 bytes. Integer pointer, character pointer, any pointer. So this pointer also takes 2 bytes. Now this pointer is declared, object is not created. Then say P assign new rectangle. So object will be created now with length and breadth, and this pointer will be pointing. So where this object is created? This object is created in heap. See, first declare a pointer, then say new rectangle, and object will be created in heap. So I can write the whole thing in a single line also. Rectangle star Q assign new rectangle. So even I can write empty brackets here. So this is rectangle Q assign a new rectangle. So Q is a pointer we have now, and another object is created in a heap with the length and breadth. So there is no name to the object, but pointer is pointing onto that one. So this is the method of creating an object in a heap. Now P, here I want to store value 15 and 10. Then I can say P's length assign 10. P's breadth assign, okay, this I made it as 15. P's breadth as a 10. Then C out P's area. So I get the area function. Area function will be called upon this P and I get the result. So how to access a object using pointer, already we have seen this part, but now we have learned one thing, that is how to create an object in heap. Now lastly, I'll show you both. If you say rectangle R, object is created in stack. If you say rectangle star P, assign new rectangle, then object is created in heap. So the first method is for the stack and second method is for the heap. So these are the two methods, how to create an object in stack and how to create an object in heap. Now one thing I can tell you at this stage, that in Java you cannot create an object in stack. Always objects are created in heap only using new, but C++ gives you an option whether you want it in stack or whether you want it in heap. You decide. So what kind of performance you want, what kind of requirements you have, based on that you can use any one of these methods. So C++ gives more options to the programmer. Let us try this code and run and check it.